Welcome to Methamphetamine. Today we're going to find the integrals of three important formulas which contain a squared and x squared. That I think is important. We always see this form. And the first one we're gonna do is the integral of 1 over x squared plus a squared. And to do this integral, first step, we let x is equal to tangent theta, a tangent theta. And then dx is equal to a secant square theta, d theta. So we will put the a outside the integral because it is a constant. So secant square theta over this d theta, and x is a tangent theta square plus a square. And then we're gonna factor out the a square. So you see a square times tangent square theta plus 1 d theta. And then here, a over a square, we get 1 over a times integral of tangent square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta, and the secant square theta over secant square theta, we get 1 d theta. So you can get 1 over a theta here. So what's our theta? Just divide by a on both sides. So you can get 1 over a, and then take a arctan on both sides, so you can get the theta is equal to inverse tangent of x over a. This might be the most important formula I've ever seen. You see this formula. And our second formula is also in this form, but this time it's a negative side. Let me erase this. And our second formula is the integral of 1 over x squared minus a squared. We can factor it as x plus a times x minus a dx. And then this is our partial fraction. We're gonna switch to x plus a plus x minus a dx here. So how can we figure out the number here? We're gonna use our carve out method. We carve out up our x plus a here. How can you let x plus a equal to 0? Yes, a need to be, this need to be negative a. So put negative a inside it, so you get 1 over negative 2a, so negative 1 over 2a. And here 1 over 2a is kind of a given, never mind. And then how can we let this equal to 0? Put a inside, so 1 over a plus a, you get 1 over 2a. And here we're gonna factor out the 1 over 2a here. And then what's this? The integral, we're gonna put the positive at first. The integral of 1 over x minus a, this is natural log epsilon ln epsilon of x minus a. And then another one, just multiply it, so minus 1 over 2a ln epsilon of x plus a, right? So you can combine it to 1 over a, and then ln, and then ln of x minus a minus ln x plus a, so you get ln by log probability is equal to ln epsilon of x minus a over x plus a plus c, and that's our second formula. In another answers to it, we have another answers, this integral. And now another form of this integral, the integral of this, the same, this is equal to negative 1 over a tangent inverse hyperbolic tangent of x over a. And I forget the way of how to do it. If you know how to do this integral, you can tell me in the common, under the common. So this is another formula of this negative 1 over a times inverse hyperbolic tangent of, or this is pronounced as tangent in tangent inverse tangent of x over a. And here our last formula of this is, and this time we have a square root here. We have a square root, but this time it's a squared minus x squared. And here we can use x is equal to a sine theta, so dx is equal to a cosine theta d theta. So you can get cosine theta, a times integral of cosine theta over, and then let me just factor it out quickly. So a squared times 1 minus sine square theta d theta. So you can get a over square root of a squared is equal to a. So a over a, you get 1 here. So cosine theta over 1 minus sine, and 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cosine square theta, and then you take a square root. So cosine theta and this cosine theta, they cancel each other out. So we just do the integral of 1 in our theta over, so you can get theta here. So what is our theta? You can see divided by a on both sides and take a inverse sine, so you can get this is equal to inverse sine of x over a plus c, and that's it. So in conclusion, there are three important. So in conclusion, these three there are three important integral formula of the forms a square and then x square. And here the first one and the second one and the third one, I recommend to memorize this quickly, so you'll be a master, even greater than me, better than me. So the first one is x squared, 1 over x squared plus a squared dx, and the second one is 1 over x squared minus a squared dx, and then the third one is 1 over square root of a squared minus x squared dx. So the first formula, and this is 1 over a tangent, the original tangent, inverse tangent, this okay, inverse tangent of x. And then our second formula is the integral of 1 over x squared minus a. The first version of this is 1 over 2a L1 absolute value of x minus a over x plus a plus c. And then the second one is our inverse hyperbolic tangent one. This is negative 1 over a inverse tangent of x over a plus c. No absolute value here, be careful. And then the third one is the easiest, the integral of 1 over square root of a squared minus x squared. So this is inverse sine of x over a plus c, and that's it. They are all formulas of the integral, which contain the form a squared and x squared. You can take a photo here and peace out.